I know.
Cute.
We're gonna give her a bath last night and probably wait.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't know there was water or anything.
I saw it on the website, but I forgot.
Does she have like a green mark on her belly?
Yeah.
What
I
is
think
that?
it's
Do you know?
Maybe the microchip?
Is that where they put the microchip? I
Could
thought
be.
it was up in there.
It's not. I thought it was in the back.
Yeah, like
I don't know.
like on the shoulder. I don't know.
It might be where it is.
I just wondered.
Yeah, she does have that. I just
No.
thought it was from one of the.
It's cute. That's cute. I'm glad they're playing. Uh-oh. That broke him off. What was that? Uh-oh. No. Jeez.
Oh, he's a gymnast.
My brother-in-law has a box.